50 lap Dave. Lap Dave here. Driver is ready. Cash, when you hear the tone, it's on you. Oh, we got Cash stuck on the wall there, but he was able to get back up and going.
That's what happens when you try to be careful and drive through the road.
Who'll be the cause of that one?
I hit a parked car.
You hit a parked car? And we're going to call that a racing incident. No one owns up to it. We're going to call it a racing incident. So Bob, you're up at the top. Cash, you're on the 2. Trevor, you're on the 3. Eugene 4, Dave 5, Jet 6.
Oh, that was you? You gotta go.
All right, drivers. Drivers ready? Bob, when you hear the tone, sir, it is going to be on you. Oh, Eugene going to get... Oh, stop. Now keep in mind of that commitment line. Whenever we start that race, you've got to stay above that line. So Bob, Cash, Trevor, Eugene, Dave, and Jet.
Oh no! Push it back.
Keep them in line. You don't get any help out here. You know we don't do that at my track. All right. Drivers ready? Bob, when you hear the tone, it is on you. Oh, Cash is... Oh, Lord, there's Cash. Cash going to get spun out on the back there. He's going to get back up and going. Over.
Woo!
Alright. I'm not going to say this again. Next person that goes under that commitment line. I move my thing so I can actually see it. Alright. I'm in eyesight of that commitment line. The next person I see that goes under that commitment line, not only are you going to get sent to the back.
How do you look?
Well, you're fine. You're in the front. You ain't got nothing to worry about.
What's our lineup?
So who flipped it?
I'm looking down here by you. Lord have mercy.
Follow the rules.
All right, let's get y'all lined up here. Bob, you're on the 1. Eugene 2. Cash, you're on the 3. Trevor 4. Dave, get in front of Jet.
Send me, Eugene.
Dave, get in front of John. Oh, you thought I never mind.
We're getting
All right.
crazy.
Alright, so drivers ready?
Okay.
Bob, when you hear the tone, it's on you.
Come on!
Are we stuck, Eugene?
No, he crashed into me. Jeez.
Stop. Alright, we're gonna go back to...
Did he go below the commitment?
Yeah.
Alright.
Were you watching the commitment line?
I was watching the commitment line. Bob, Eugene, Cash, Trevor, Dave, whatever.
Where do you want me at? Just tell me.
To the back of the line. All the way to the back.
All right, I'm on the line.
Alright.
Don't forget about it.
Wait a minute.
Oh, okay, I got you. The lineup is Bob, Eugene, Cash, Trevor, Dave, and Jet. That's our,
Trevor's replaced his battery
he has to replace batteries?
on his radio.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
He's just picking on me because that stupid piece of tape.
Trevor, you're going to be on the
Stay on the
place spot.
Stay on the right side.
I went way out here and then I started going down like calling everybody out.
Bob, Eugene, Cash, Trevor,
You
Dave,
made me go
Jet.
below the line.
Gentlemen, these are toy cars. We're not fighting. Don't start fighting, I'm just gonna leave.
We ain't at the go-kart track.
It's all on.
This ain't worth it.
It's all jet.
Alright. Drivers ready. Bob, when you hear the tone, it is on you. Stop. Jet, you did go under that commitment line again. Can't say you didn't because you did. If it happens again, you will. If it happens again, then he's not going to be racing. He's going to be out of the race because this is getting ridiculous. It's not that hard.
How'd you get one lap ahead?
Alright.
Yeah.
Bob, when you hear the tone, it's on you, sir. Got Bob in the lead, Cash in the 2,
Oh my God.
Eugene 3. Bob's got a pretty commanding lead right now.
You took the leader out.
Bob is still in the lead. He got into it, but he's got no stop.
Stop.
Who calls what? Alright. So Bob, you're going to be on the 1. Cash, you're on the 2. Eugene, you're on the 3. Trevor, you're on the 4. Dave 5. Jet 6. Alright. Y'all got 29, 28 laps once y'all cross again. Bob, when you hear the tone, it is on you, sir. Halfway there, Bob's still your leader. Cash right there with him, contending for that lead. Cash your leader now, Bob, right behind him though. Still got a long way to go. We got 20 laps to go. Cash your leader, Bob going on the inside. Oh, Bob's gonna take it. Oh, Bob got taken out. He tried to go on the inside to try to take the lead, but he got caught up on the pipe and then he got hit from behind by some lap traffic. 14 laps to go. Cash your leader. Next up, we're gonna finish off with the Low C NASCAR Box Stock A main. Stop. Alright, what's the cause of that one?
That was a racing incident.
Racing incident was told, alright. I like that whenever everybody is agreeing that it's a racing incident. Alright, so. It was Cash's fault. What? That's what Tom just said. Tom just said it was your fault, Cash. Alright, so Cash, you're on the 1. Bob, you're on the 2. Eugene, 3. Trevor, 4. Dave, 5. Jet, 6.
Pull it!
Alright, drivers ready? When you cross the line, there'll be 12 laps to go. Cash, when you hear the tone, it is on you. Everybody's spinning out over here. We got 10 laps to go, drivers. Oh, looks like Eugene's going to get into it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Everybody almost flipping. Oh,
Sorry.
looks like that was Bob getting into it with Eugene there. We're going to have 5 laps to go this time.
5 laps left.
Remember, do not stop until you hear your name
4
called.
laps left.
Go, Jay, go!
3 laps left. 2 laps left.
Oh!
Everybody's still on their wheels. Keep it going.
Cash done. Trevor Newman done. Bob Lee done. Eugene done. Dave Bolton done.
Alright, Cash is going to take that one. Bob Lee's going to come up second.